Hello, what's up everyone? Today's video will be making Thor's hammer Mjolnir. For every sculpture, we first make the armature. This will serve as the skeleton of our sculpture. Now after that, we reinforce it with aluminum foil, and it bulks up our sculpture so we could use less clay. This part I'm starting to make the handle. Carving the grooves like so. And after that, the head of the hammer. Making sure that it is even and flat as much as possible. Now putting some details. Now I'm working on the top and the bottom part of the hammer, which have small details in it. In this part I am just carving random dots because the original design for this is way too small for me to see, so this is the best that I can do for this one. Now lastly, the circular design at the middle part of the hammer, and this is ready to bake. After that's done, I've painted the grooves of the handle with gold acrylic paint. Then the wooden part in between with brown. In this part I used a very diluted acrylic paint, black paint. This is called a wash. Then painted all the flat sides with gray. Then after all the painting is done, I just let it dry and covered it with a matte clear coating. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, do consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for future videos. And now let me know what you think about this build. Write it in the comment section below because I am reading all your comments. And thank you for watching. See you on the next one.